Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you that how to convert multiple images into PDF in Ubuntu 20.04. So let's start. So first of all you need to download a GUI tool which is known as Gscan to PDF. So just open terminal, and here we need to install it by simply typing here the command sudo apt install Gscan to PDF. So after you have installed this tool, then just open this tool by simply typing the name of that tool. So it is a GUI tool, so you do not need to learn the syntax of any command here, as it is a GUI tool. So now we will simply select the images that we want to convert into the PDF. So just go to the location where your images exist. So I will select these two images. You can simply select as many images as you want. If you want to select JPEG also, then you can just select here all files. Of course I want to select only PNG here, so that's why I have just mentioned here image files having these extensions. So now after you have selected all the images that you want to convert into PDF, then just click on OK, and now we will simply convert these images into PDF. So if you want to reorder any pages, then you can simply drag it. Okay, so after you have reordered all the pages in sequence, then just click on the save icon and just select here document type as PDF and just select all pages. So by default it will be selected as all pages, and by default it will be selected as PDF. So you just need to click on save, and it will be saved in the same folder from where you have selected your images. So as you can see here, the images have been converted into the PDF successfully. So this is how you can just convert images into PDF in Ubuntu 20.04 using the tool name Gscan to PDF. You can also do that using the terminal, but I have not done that, and as it is very easy to convert in a GUI, so there is no need to convert using the terminal where you have to learn syntax, and then you will be able to convert. But in GUI it is very easy, and yeah, I hope that you will be able to convert your multiple images into PDF. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. So till then, goodbye.